Hey YouTube, David here. I just wanted to help everyone who owns a Hansgrohe faucet set for the shower. I don't remember which one mine is particular, but I think there's like four different models with their cartridges. So these cartridges, it turns out, are actually just the same as Delta cartridges, because Delta apparently acquired Hansgrohe a few years back, and I had a hard time tracking down the Hansgrohe one, so I wanted to give the Delta one a try, but the Delta one was pretty expensive. So instead I looked for a Delta equivalent one on Amazon. This one is actually a model RP46074. This is an exact Delta shower cartridge replacement, or shower valve cartridge replacement. And like I said, it works exactly the same as a Hansgrohe. So if you can see here, I actually did find a Hansgrohe, but I won't be using it. I have two shower faucets, so just going to use me there. Now this is much more expensive, but literally it is the same thing. This IP is the same as a Delta shower cartridge. It's the same as a Hansgrohe shower cartridge. This is just what they call as a, what did they call this? They had a fancy name for it. Here. A pressure balance cartridge, model number 8A727000. So as you can see, I went ahead and already installed this one. This one is the RP46074 equivalent, issued to fix a leaking shower. So as you can see, it is inside already. I've tested it, runs fine. So yeah, this is to help out anyone who's trying to fix and replace a leaking Hansgrohe shower. Just buy the replacement. You'll save a lot of money. Cool. Well, that's all. Thank you.